Good morning, students. In last class, we studied about the continental drift theory. Continental drift theory is given by the Wegener in 1912. In 1912, the German geographer Wegener, the German geographer says all the landmass, all these continents are in a landmass, or this landmass is called the Pangea, and around the Pangea had the water part. This water part is known as the German word Penthalassa. German word Penthalassa. When here the crack ya break the Pangea, then divide in two part. Upper part is Laurasia or Angara land, and lower part is Gondwana land. And the landmass Angara land also divide in by the forces, here the tidal force and the polar force in many parts, like here the Europe, Asia continent, Eurasia and North America, and the Gondwana land also divide in Antarctica, Australia, Africa and South Africa continent. Now we discuss about the evidence in support of continental drift. Evidence in support of the continental drift. If this continental drift theory is right, what here the facts favor the continental drift theory. Some geographer favor the continental drift theory is right, and some have the also criticized the continental drift theory. Now we discuss about the evidence in the support of the continental drift theory. First one is the matching of continents jigsaw fit, name the law of jigsaw fit. What is here the matching of continents, the law of jigsaw fit? Then here the two here the land part mix join, then they can here the fit in each other. This law is called the jigsaw fit. Like here the in 1964, Bullard also effort about this the law jigsaw fit with the helping of the computer system. With the helping of the computer system, what here we consider that here the North America continent and here South America continent. This is North America continent, and here the South America continent, and here the Africa continent. Here Africa continent, clear? And here Africa continent, and here Europe continent. This is here Europe continent. So what happened here? Then according to this the matching of continents fair, what is here? Then the some geographer tried to fit the Africa continent in this middle part of the North America and the South America in this Central Asia. Clear? What here? In 1964, Bullard also effort in by helping the computer system this part North America and the South America and this Africa continent part. ठीक है? Then this part is joined with the this part. Then what we are here the jigsaw fit. क्या हो रहा है? Here the other landmass. ठीक है? Then all these are here. Then here the mix up join. Then all these कैसे दिखाई दे रहे हैं? Then it is the one landmass. Here the show that is the one landmass. What happened here? Here what in Hindi explain about that this continent North America continent, South America continent and the Africa continent. तो what here ये जो space है यहाँ पे ना, this space is then अफ्रीका कॉन्टिनेंट मैच विद दैट, यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? इसको ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. ज्वाइन करेंगे तो क्या होगा? ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि ये इसमें क्या हो रहा है? फिट हो रहा है. इससे क्या फैक्ट निकल के आते हैं? दैट इज फैक्ट हियर द कि पहले कभी क्या था? दीज लैंडमास आर द वन पार्ट. ये क्या थे पहले? इन ए सिंगल लैंडमास. कभी क्या थे ना? एक सिंगल लैंडमास में थे. फिर इसमें क्या होता है? ब्रेकिंग द लैंडमास एंड व्हाट हियर द trenches between them, and this trenches fill with the water, and that is the Atlantic Ocean. That is the Atlantic Ocean. Clear? This law, the matching of the continents jigsaw fit, is prove that the continental drift theory is right. Second here, rocks of same age across the ocean. Rocks of same age across the ocean, across the Atlantic Ocean, nearby the here Brazilian coast, nearby Brazilian coast and the Western African coast. Brazilian coast and the Western African coast. What is here the Brazilian coast and here the Western African coast. So what is the coast? Here the regions, yeah, land part nearby the water part. Land part nearby the water, that is called the coastal region. And they are here is the country Brazil country in the South America continent. Here the Brazilian coast and the Western western coast of Africa. What happened here? The rocks same as rocks found in this part and the this part. Same as rocks found in this part and the this part. Same rocks are found in coastal region of the Brazil and the coastal region of Western Africa. That prove that कभी क्या थे ये एक ही जगह थे. That prove that all these landmass are in a single landmass. इससे क्या पता लगता है कि ये सेम जो रॉक्स है यहाँ पे भी है यहाँ पे है. इससे क्या इफेक्ट होता है कि इस इफेक्ट से या दैट इज प्रूव दैट कि कभी ये क्या थे एक ही थे. एंड नाउ हियर द ट्रेंचेस, देन हियर इन ट्रेंचेस हियर द अटलांटिक ओशियन. क्लियर. देन नंबर 3 इज टिलाइट डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ ग्लेशियर फॉर्म. टिलाइट, what is tilite? Here the definition of tilite: deposits of glaciers form sedimentary rocks. Here the deposits of the glacier form sedimentary rocks. What is here? What is tilite? Deposits of glacier. Deposits of glacier in form of a sedimentary rocks, that is called the tilite. Here we can say that कि क्या ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि पृथ्वी कभी क्या थी, आग का गोला था. The earth is a fire, totally fire here on the earth, totally here the frozen here also, तो edges him edges in the him edges on the earth. So different time here the him edges on the earth. Then here the different time the glaciers deposit here the many rocks, and these type of the rocks, the Gondwana land type of rocks found in India, Africa, Falkland, Madagascar, Antarctica and Australia. What clear here? That Arabian Peninsula, here is Arabian Peninsula and here is India. And in India here also found the Gondwana type sedimentary rocks, deposits of glaciers, and also found in Australia, and here found in the Madagascar, and here found in the Falkland. This type of Gondwana land type of the deposits of glaciers, sedimentary rocks found in India, Africa, Falkland, Madagascar, Antarctica, and this Antarctica and the Australia. It's proved that all these here the deposits found in the different parts of the continents, different part of the landmass, and it proved that all these landmass are in a landmass. All these continent in a landmass. Clear. Next are the placer deposits. So placer deposits here are the deposits of gold found in the Ghana coast and the Brazil coast. Here the Brazil, here the Ghana in the Africa and the Brazil in the South America continent. इससे क्या प्रूव हो रहा है? Here the gold also found, here the deposits of the gold also found in the both side of the Atlantic Ocean. It proved that कभी क्या थे एक ही जगह थे, इसलिए आज क्या मिल रहा है? Here also found the gold deposits, here also found the gold deposits. Clear? That is here the found the placer deposits, here the found the placer deposits. Next here distribution of the fossils. What was the fossils? Here the fossils. Different type of the fossils found in different type fossils of same types found in the different continents. Like here the lemur. Here the creature lemur found in India, Madagascar and Africa. All these part India, Madagascar, Africa is called Lemuria because here the found the lemur. Clear. And Mesosaurus is found. Mesosaurus was found in South Africa and Brazil. South Africa is where? Here the South Africa and here the Brazil. Here also found Mesosaurus. Here also found the fossils of Mesosaurus, and in Brazil also found here the fossils of Mesosaurus. But in this point number 5 here we study about the fossils. कि यहाँ पे इंडिया, मेडागास्कर और अफ्रीका में क्या मिलते हैं? लेमुरिया के फॉसिल्स मिलते हैं. लेमुर के फॉसिल्स मिलते हैं कि एक टाइम ऐसा था कि जब यहाँ पे क्या था? लेमुरिया था. अभी क्या मिल रहे हैं? उसके फॉसिल्स हमें मिल रहे हैं, जिससे वी डिस्कस या फाइनली रिजल्ट दैट इन इंडिया, मेडागास्कर, अफ्रीका here the fossil same type of the lemur fossils found. Then what was here? That is prove that all these are a land mass. And the Mesosaurus fossils also found in the Brazil, in the इन साउथ अफ्रीका। इट इज आल्सो प्रूव दैट कि ये लैंड मास क्या थे, पहले एक ही थे, फिर बाद में क्या हो गया, यहाँ पे डिवाइडेशन हो गया। दैट इज व्हाट द रिजल्ट हियर द these are a landmass part, all these are a landmass part. Clear? Next, all these here the 5 points, all these are the 5 points prove that the continental drift theory is right. Continental drift theory is right. Here the many geographer also criticize the continental drift theory. At last here we can say then we start here the study about the continent and the ocean, that here the very helpful this continental drift theory. In continental drift theory, about the evidence of the continental drift theory, we discuss about the 5 points. First is the jigsaw fit. Second is about the rocks of the same across the oceans. Third is the tillite, and the number 4 is placer deposits, and last is the distribution of the fossils. And here what the force for the breaking all these landmass, जो landmass टूटे ना उसके लिए फोर्स थे, जो रेस्पॉन्सिबल कौन थे, हियर द रेस्पॉन्सिबल फोर्स इज द पोलर फोर्स एंड द टाइडल फोर्स. रेस्पॉन्सिबल फोर्स इज पोलर फोर्स एंड द tidal force. Like here the polar force is origin from the rotation of the earth. Then rotation of the earth जब क्या हो रहा है, rotation of the earth move its axis west to east, and दिस पार्ट हियर, इससे क्या हो रहा है, जब अर्थ क्या हो रहा है अपने एक्सिस पर क्या हो रही है, वेस्ट टू ईस्ट मूव हो रही है. देन हियर द फोर्स ओरिजिन द polar force, and here the tidal force of the sun and moon also affect the continental drift. And continental drift के लिए ये जो ओशियंस या कॉन्टिनेंट्स हैं, ये कॉन्टिनेंट्स क्या हो रहे हैं, अभी भी क्या हो रहे हैं, एक दूसरे से दूर जा रहे हैं, या अभी भी इनमें क्या हो रहा है, ड्रिफ्ट हो रहा है. व्हाट वाज द responsible for the continental drift? Here the responsible is polar force and the tidal force. Polar force related to rotation of the earth, and tidal force sun and moon tidal force. All polar and tidal force is the responsible for the continental drift. Clear? And in 1930 Arthur Holmes gave a theory, the name is conventional current theory. In 1930 by Arthur Holmes say here in the mental part of the internal part of the earth, here the mental, जो mental वाला part है internal part में, वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, here the origin the many conventional current, and these conventional current is the responsible for the continental drift. According to Arthur Holmes, the conventional current theory, in mental part, here the many conventional current, origin of the many conventional current, and these conventional current are the responsible for the continental drift. Clear? Here the three we discussed about the continental drift, and the continental drift is proved by the main force to continental drift is polar force and the tidal force, and according to Arthur Holmes, here the conventional current also responsible for the continental drift.